These are best 7 freelance websites that will pay you via AirTM. In this video, I'll be walking you through 7 top websites where you can work as a freelancer and you get paid directly to your bank account in your country through AirTM. Please note that this video is sponsored by AirTM. With this partnership, especially if you are new to AirTM, when you sign up with the link below the description of this video, you'll be able to claim your $3 sign up bonus. You have to meet the requirement and also use the platform to get this reward. With AirTM, life is now made very easy for a lot of us, especially in Africa. You can work remotely and get paid to your account in your country. Please note this, not all these websites will accept you. This is why you need to watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you over 25 other websites that you can also work with as a freelancer. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So what are these websites? Let me show you. The next website that will pay you through AirTM is called We Work Remotely. This is the largest job board for remote jobs online today. And look at it. Post a job for $299. Companies will come to this place to post their jobs for this amount. Any company that decides to pay this amount just to have access to workers, they are ready to pay well and they are seriously looking for good hands. If you look at here, these are all kinds of jobs in different categories. These are top trending remote jobs. These are jobs, look at it, anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world. You get worldwide jobs listed on this platform and you can easily get paid to your AirTM account that you can easily move your money to your bank account in your country. Look at it. These are top 100 remote companies hiring right now. If you scroll down, you see them. You can see these are top companies with the number of jobs posted. Look at there, so many of them. This is another one. Management and finance jobs. These are the amount they are paying. Look at it. Anywhere in the world. As long as you are good, look at it. Remote administrative and operation assistant. As long as you are good, you get job. Stock and option trader anywhere in the world. So worldwide, you get job here. Look at these are the rate these people are ready to pay for remote sales representative. You work from home anywhere in the world. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You will learn and see how you get paid to your AirTM account and you'll be able to move the money in dollars to your bank account in your country. Thank you. The next freelance website that will pay you through AirTM is Freelancer. Look at it. Hire the best freelancer for any job online. This is the world's largest freelance marketplace. That is where you can pick jobs as a freelancer. Any job you can possibly think of. So a lot of clients are here with different jobs. So don't limit yourself. You are an accountant, you are a lawyer, you are a student. This is a place you get job. All you need to do is to tap Earn Money Freelancing. Let me show you. Look at this place. Find work. You can find job with the kind of skill you have to look at different type of jobs that you can get according to your area of specialization or whatever you have a passion for. You are a graphic designer, you like data entry jobs, you like website jobs, you like mobile app testing, you like internet marketing job, and so many of them. You can see different jobs in different categories that you can get on this platform. Look at different jobs listed here by different employers from different countries. Look at different amount they are willing to pay and you quote for it. Look at it. You just click bid. This just capture solving task, just like capture, and you get paid for $13 per hour job. These are easy jobs that you can do. If you come up here, there are so many of them. You just tap the second page and you get listed. You can bid for jobs and it is so easy to get paid. You get paid directly to your AirTM account where you can easily move your dollar to your bank account in your country. Very easy and very fast. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I will show you how you generate your AirTM account and other opportunities you have to make money with AirTM. Thank you. PeoplePerHour is the next best freelance platform that will pay you through AirTM. This is a very popular freelance platform where you can get any job as a freelancer. If you look at this place, the first one is AI services. These are jobs you can do and integrate with AI and you get paid on this platform. These are technology and programming jobs, so many of them in different languages. These are writing and translation jobs. All you just need to do is to go through the one that you like to do. This is a design related category, digital marketing categories. There's something that you can do with your career on this platform. This one is about video, photo and image jobs. These are business related jobs. If you are an accountant, tax consultant, a legal practitioner, all kind of jobs, they are on this platform for you. If you are into music, look at music and audio. Different ways you can make money with your area of specialization and your gig, they are on this platform. Marketing and branding. There's something important you need to know about this website. You'll be vetted before you can get job on this platform. You must be good to pass through and get job with their clients. Also, if you want to work with UK companies, this is where you get them. Look at it. Over 60% of their clients, they are from UK. So irrespective of which country you come from, you get job on this platform. All you need to do is to sign up here, indicate that you're a freelancer, and you'll be able to come up with a profile like this. And look at this person, he's into YouTube video. Look at his profile page. He will do organic YouTube promotion for different companies, and look at different other people from this platform and offering different categories of freelancing jobs. How do you get paid? You get paid directly to your dollar account on AirTM platform. Make sure you watch this video to the end. I will show you how you activate your dollar account very fast. Thank you. Upwork is another popular website that will pay you direct to your AirTM account, and you can withdraw your dollar to your bank account in your country. Do the work you love. Jobs will be listed on this platform, and you just to pick and you submit your bid. So as a freelancer on this platform, you are into talent marketplace. You have to create your profile. That is, you highlight your skills, your experience, kind of jobs that you do best, and you set your ID pay. That is the amount you wish to be paid for it. So as clients come to this platform, they will browse and see if they can employ you for their job. It's not a permanent job. You just do the job and you move on. Then you search for jobs. You submit your proposal to the client, and if you are suited for that person, the person will hire you, and you start working, and you get paid to your AirTM account that you can easily credit and move your dollar to your account in your country. All you need to do is to sign up with your Gmail and start working. You can see, for instance, this is admin and customer support jobs, data entry jobs, e-commerce management jobs, file conversion jobs, flyer distribution jobs, project management jobs, virtual assistant jobs, transcription jobs. If you want a financial accounting jobs, look at it, so many of them. They currently have over 3,091 jobs. Look at it. Experienced bookkeeper needed for ongoing financial management. So many of them, 30 plus hours weekly. Financial data organizer, this is another one. Senior income tax accounting needed. And this is marketing and sales job. Look at them listed here. All you need to do is to know your job. Look at it. This is code, emails, data and campaign manager, $800. That is the amount they are offering to pay. So you just need to be good on your job, and you get something to do on this platform. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You get to see how you get paid direct to AirTM, and how you can move your money from your AirTM to your dollar account in your country. Thank you. This is the next freelance website that will pay you through AirTM. It is called Lionbridge. You can see, join the pride. What is Lionbridge all about? Lionbridge is a global community fluent in 350 plus languages and working in more than 5,000 cities. This particular platform targets to recruit people from all over the world. Look at it. With over 6,000 employees in 25 countries. To access the job on this platform, you come to this place, view all jobs. You just scroll down. This is where you see the list of different jobs. You can search job by job title, by your location, by your department, that is category, your area of specializations. But Lionbridge is all about language translation, content creation. So if you are a webmaster, an SEO consultant, a translator, you can speak different languages. This is where you can get good job. And look at this by location. And if you are from African countries or third world country, what indicates a certain job is for you is you see anywhere in this side of the location. You see anywhere. And there are so many jobs here. Look at it. You can open the next page and you can search for jobs according to your city. As per different country, the current existing job on the platform now are indicated there per each of the countries. But how do you get paid? For you to get paid, you will get paid directly to your AirTM dollar account, and you'll be able to move the money to your account in your country. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I will explain that in detail. This is top tier. You can see this platform will only hire the top 3% of the world's talent. So if you are sure you are very good on your job, on your profession, on your area of specialization, this is where to get one of the best jobs to get paid very well, remotely, working from home in your country. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to get to this platform. You will apply as a talent. A lot of big companies hire top talent from this platform. If you are a talent, look at all different kind of job categories that you can get. You can see developers, designers, marketing expert, management consultant, project manager, sales manager, and so on and so forth. So if you are good and you know your onions, this is the best platform to get started. How do you get paid? Ensure you watch this video to the end. You will see how you get paid directly to your dollar account in your country using AirTM. Thank you. Freelancer is another big website that will pay you through your AirTM account, and you can see there is no kind of job skills that you have either related to your passion or your profession or your career that you won't get on this platform. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video and sign up and become a seller. That is, you are selling your services. There are a lot of clients on this platform. These are the popular services on Fiverr: vibe coding, website development, software development, SEO, that's search engine optimization, architecture. So if you are an architecture student, book design, UGC videos, voiceover, social media marketing, so many jobs opportunity for you on this platform. So all you need to do is to click become a seller. Become a seller, you sign up, you create your gig, and you start getting jobs. To know what to do, you can search online, you can watch YouTube videos. You'll be able to know how to create and optimize a gig that sell. Don't forget to watch this video to the end to see how to get paid with AirTM and how you can take advantage and even make money with AirTM. Thank you. As soon as you log in, the first thing you will need to do is to create your virtual US dollar account or your euro account. All you just need to do is to click here. You can see US virtual account, euro account. You can see my own is already generated. You can do it very fast. You can see it is a checking account, and this is my account number, and this is my routine number, and this is the name of the bank I'm using in US. Watch this video. It's going to take you step by step of how to conclude this. It is easy and very fast. Also, when you click payment, you can see you can easily share your AirTM link to get paid directly to your virtual bank account. They can pay through their card or stablecoin, and also you can request payment from an individual or company you've already worked with through bank transfer or AirTM, and you get the money on your AirTM wallet. And when you get your money to your wallet, you can easily come here to withdraw your money to your bank account in your country. You just click search payment method. You can send your money to your bank account through cryptos, gift cards, mobile, prepaid. You can use PayPal. For instance, if you are sending your money to your bank account, you just tap bank account. If your bank is in South Africa, just type South Africa. You can see South African bank is here. You tap it and you will get this money instantly in your bank account in South Africa. And this is the current rate. This will change according to how market changes. Look at it, within 20 minutes, you get this money in your bank account in South Africa. This applies to all countries. For you to have access to more websites and companies that you can work with, all you need to do is to come to this place, N, or you can come to this side. Look at it, you scroll down, look at it, N. If you tap N, you scroll down. Don't forget, if you are working for any company in US, you have to download this form, your WABN form. You fill it and send it back to them. You can see these are names of different companies that you can work with remotely from your country, and these are the different payment methods. If you look at this Fiverr, with the virtual account you've created, you can get paid to AirTM. This Freelancer, you can use your virtual account. These are different companies that you can work with. This Lionbridge, these are different good companies. These are different websites and companies that is currently working with AirTM that you can get paid easily, and you can see you still have more of them in the other page. All you need to do is to sign up to AirTM, and you can easily access this company directly on AirTM platform. Thank you. You can see those websites. There's something that you have that you can sell as a service on those freelance websites. All you need to do is to make effort. It can be your profession, your skills, your area of specialization. All you need to do is to take a step of faith. You'll be shocked that you get job and you'll be able to make money in dollars right from your country. Don't forget to claim your $3 sign-up bonus with AirTM. The link is below the description of this video. Please subscribe to this channel. like this video. Drop your comment. I promise I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.